Hey guys, what's up? This is Adam.
And this is Sheikh.
And we call ourselves...
True Story ASA.
Oh yeah, we call ourselves that. But yeah, today we're going to be doing something called praying in public.
It's where we pray in public, as he said, and we try to see people's reactions.
And yeah, but we're going to do it the right way. So we have wudu right now, and we're going to pray 2 rak'ahs, which is sunnah, throughout the day. And he has a compass that's going to show so we can pray towards, so we can have the right way to pray, which is towards Mecca, the Kaaba. Ready? Assalamu alaikum.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل.
Huh?
What were you doing just now?
Oh, I was praying. What'd you think when I first came in and prayed?
I wondered if anybody else saw you, so I was just looking around, but after a while I figured, it was something to that nature, but there's a lot of Muslim people in my neighborhood, there's a lot of Muslim people around the world, so I kind of figured that's what you were doing.
Nice, man.
It's pretty cool, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care, man.
Leave him alone.
أوذيت في الله لم تهزم ولم تهني أوذيت في الله لم تهزم ولم تهني حتى غادت أمة الإسلام في النجوم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. حبيب الله رسول الله إمام المرسلين. حبيب الله رسول الله إمام المرسلين. سريت من
Huh?
Yoga?
No, I was doing yoga. You know what that is? Praying for what? Oh, it's like an Islamic prayer.
So you were praying, so continue to pray for all Muslims all over the world. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if he were here, I think he would be very displeased with the Muslims fighting all over the world.
It's awesome, man.
And
Thank you.
Awesome.
Assalamu alaikum. We are brothers and sisters. We are all Muslims. I don't need to judge another Muslim because Allah is God. He's the only one God.
We should love everyone.
Yes, He's the only one God, and He is the one to judge. And again, I am reverted, and it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. Whenever I even think about Islam, wherever I'm at, I cry because I'm happy.
To be a Muslim?
He called me to the deen, yes. I never would have thought that I would be Muslim.
Are you crying?
Yes, because I would never believe that I would be Muslim. I would think anybody else would be Muslim. But Allah called me to the deen. I didn't make myself Muslim. I didn't, this didn't happen like that for me. He called me and I'm very grateful to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Islam is I want the world to know there's things that have occurred. Islam is the most lovingest, peacefulest religion, a way of life.
Thank you so much for everything.
Yes, brother.
Inshallah, everything.
Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
أوذيت في الله لم تهزم ولم تهني أوذيت في الله لم تهزم ولم
Yeah,
All
it's
over
finished.
the world.
It's awesome, man.
And
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
في النجوم.